In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a T-Rex. You're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. Okay, we're going to start with a body. So let's have a kind of a rugby ball kind of shape like that. Trying to decide what size I want it to be. So something like that. Look, this is a plan for a drawing. Don't press too hard because you'll find it really difficult to erase later. Okay, so just touch the paper lightly. And then we want that to come up there. And then we want it to come up a little bit like that and down. And then kind of down there and down there in a triangle. You can kind of feel that T-Rex kind of thing, can't you, going on there. And then the tail's going to want to come out there like that. Arms. And then we want the legs to come sort of like this. And that wants to be the knee there, and we want to have the other leg coming forward there. That's our plan. And, let's start with the head. In fact, let's start with the eye. So we're going to go up and down like that. And across, don't quite join at the end there, and then we want the eye like that. And that's going to make him kind of look a bit angry. And then we go up and down a bit and like that. And then we're going to do up and down and around like that. Up and down to the end there. And then we can bring that around there to the jaw. Let's put in all those teeth. 1, 2, 3. So these are lots of great big zigzag sharp teeth. Okay, and then we'll have a tongue which comes out like that, and a nostril maybe like that. Now let's have a kind of a prehistoric skinny kind of skin, so make it a little bit lumpy, that line, and we can just bring that up there a bit. And then we're going to draw the arms. So they have funny little arms, don't they? Just come forwards like that. And then we just want 2 kind of hooky kind of toes. Fingernails. They're not toes. Toes are on the legs. And then we can draw the neck and the body coming down like that. And then we can draw the other arm from the other side coming out like that. Now we're going to draw the leg coming down to there, and we'll come into the back of the knee and then down to the ankle. Now this is where it gets complicated. So T-Rex has 3 big toes. So we're going to come down and put a little hook on the end. We'll come down, put a little hook on the end, and then on the other side here we'll draw across and a little hook on the end. Then we're going to draw these claws like that, and then a little curve underneath them like that, and then they're going to turn into those kind of claws, 3-toe claw feet like that. And then we can do the other leg coming down there, and we'll do the same thing. So this will sort of come into one, around, that will come down to there and around, that will come to there and around, and we want these toes like that. And actually, when you look at chickens and things like that, you can see how much chickens and birds actually look like dinosaurs, which is what they are sort of related to. And then we'll have the rest of the tail like that. Now let's have some, maybe some rocks and things in there as well, and some grass and and we're going to want to have some little spots and things. And when you're absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines and no one will know how you got it so perfect in the right place on the page and everything like that. And we can just finish this off with some little kind of stripes. So I'm just doing little dashes really, like that. And I think this sort of adds a bit of texture and pattern to the skin, which it probably had some, well, it must have had some kind of a pattern on the skin, but, you know, we don't have any dinosaur skin left to know quite what the actual pattern of the skin was. So I'm just going to draw some of these little things like that, and some lines, and I'm going to have some shading in there, some shading in there, and some shading in on the back leg there. I think we might have some kind of lines around there, some shading in there. And then all you need to do now is colour in your T-Rex and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Draw Stuff Real Easy.